Welcome back. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to teach you very important topic, untranslatability, Unit 3, which is a part of the syllabus Introduction to Translation Studies. What is untranslatability? It is a property of a text or speech for which no equivalent is found when translated into another language. There are numerous words in Tamil language which cannot be translated into any of the languages in the world. Not only in Tamil language but also various European language which cannot be translated. The words which are taken from other languages from various sources is given here for your understanding. Let's have a look at the untranslatable Tamil words. Tulir, a technically baby leaf, but it specifies freshness, tenderness and delicateness. Next, Oodal, a fake anger that follows a lover's quarrel. Ethanavadu, it refers to the order in any saying, but there is no equivalent in any of the languages. Vaithirichal, the feeling that one gets when someone has something you lack. Karpu, it refers to determination to chastity even at the time of adversity. Charal, a secondary drizzle either from a waterfall or rain. Now we have a look at the untranslatable English words. Cool. Even though it refers to the climate temperature, the word used to make someone calm. It refers also to a person who is very calm and silent at the time of adversity. Cheesy. If a person behaves very good but originally he is a bad person, so we can comment the word cheesy. Serendipity. It means the state of finding pleasant or desirable things by accident. Silly. Light-hearted, playful and kind of fun. Trade-off. A balance achieved between two desirable but incompatible features. Awkward. Embarrassment, discomfort and uncertainty. Untranslatable Japanese words. Age Tori, to look worse after a haircut. Chindagu, a solution to a common problem that's pretty useless. Arigata Mewaku, it refers to an act someone does for you that you did not want them to do and tries to avoid them, but they go ahead and determined to do you a favor, and then thing goes wrong and causes you a lot of trouble in the end. Social conventions make you express gratitude. Boketo, gazing vacantly into the distance. Ikigai, a reason to get up in the morning, a reason to live, which has no equivalent in any of the languages. Poekumama, mother who pushes her children to academic achievements. Nekama, a man who pretends to be a woman on the internet. It becomes difficult to find a one-word equivalent in other language. Untranslatable French words. Berizina, more than a serious failure, like a defeat. Debasement, the unsteady feeling one gets when is away from the home country. L'esprit de l'escalier, the feeling one gets when thinking of the perfect thing to say just a moment too late. Raidan sa babe, to laugh in the bed quietly while thinking about something that happened in the past. Untranslatable words in other languages. Tattle, which is a Scottish word, the word meant hesitation in recognizing a person. 1. A Korean word. The reluctance on a person's part to let go of an illusion. Rikvangali. The act of walking on tiptoes across warm sand. A Turkish word esamek. The experience of craving certain foods while pregnant. So, there are certain concepts and words that are interrelated, hence accurate translation becomes an impossible task. As Alexander rightly says, when translators talk about untranslatable, they often reinforce the notion that each language has its own genius and essence that naturally sets it apart from all other languages and reflects something of the soul of its own culture or people. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We meet again in the next video.